graphic design might literally have changed forever, and the future of this industry might be completely altered. This video is about a designer who tricked everyone, and those actions might actually have implications on your future. The year of 2020 has seen a lot of things, but it's also seen a Russian designer grow a huge name for himself and gaining appreciation and success for his quirky yet bold designs. Now his name is Nikolai Urnov, and yes, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but for the last year he has designed logos for influencers, restaurants, apps, and new projects, to list a few accomplishments under his belt. Now you might not agree with some of the design choices, for example this very irregular and almost abstract art looking typography, but you cannot deny the success and the notoriety he has gained. By the way, this is taken straight from his portfolio page, and it's obvious that his work is in high demand and he does have a lot of skill. Also, the clients have been very pleased with the end results. But the first sort of strange occurrence with Nikolai is that there isn't an Instagram page dedicated to him as a designer, but there is actually a hashtag, which is quite weird. But things drastically change when you discover the next truth in this story. So what if I told you that Nikolai isn't even an actual person, but in fact an artificial intelligence program created by a team of people? So yeah, the reality is a firm actually designed the AI program to work on branding projects, and I might add with a great deal of success as well. In recent months, there have been an influx in AI-based softwares. One in particular can generate a human face completely from scratch. None of these people that you're looking directly in the eyes of actually exist. They've all been created by artificial intelligence. That is pretty weird, but it is the future we're heading into. There is even a program that can take a single clip or even an image of a person in some cases, and then create an animated sequence of a totally different person singing or talking. Now it's pretty obvious that the future is going to be heavily influenced by AI-based software, if you like it or not. So getting back to Nikolai, how does it work exactly? So essentially a team member or somebody working on the program just needs to type in a few keywords or a bit of information on the client or the business. And then much like with my very own graphic design process, the AI is going to formulate some kind of visual representation based around keywords. And it does this in a matter of minutes or seconds. And then a series of touch-up algorithms are used to smoothen out the rough edges of a design, and also to create color palettes too. Of course, color is a huge thing in design. But then the actual human quote-unquote designer is then offered a series of branding options, all pretty different in appearance and nature, and they just simply need to choose the final design or designs to present to the client. This is how Nikolai works. Now you've probably heard of logo design bots or AI technology that do work on logo designs, but there is actually a key difference with this recent Nikolai AI creation. This AI is efficiently and currently working on commercial brands and actually designing high-end designs for high-end clients. Now if you're like me, you're probably going to automatically shift your thoughts to the future of your career and also the industry that we have a great passion for and that we work so hard in. So if companies, firms, whatever, can actually come up with brand identities and logos in a matter of minutes or hours, what does that say about the designers or agencies who spend days or weeks on a design? Are they going to be pushed out of the industry? Where does the future of graphic design truly lie? Now it's a question that I feel is very valid because it isn't just the far off future that we're talking about here, or even the near future. It's happening right now as we speak. And this can be applied to many people and not just graphic designers. It goes for many sectors of work and industry, and it's something we all need to actually consider. Maybe in the near future we're not going to have designers or design firms. We'll simply have teams trying to make or use the best AI software that there is. It truly might come down to not who has the better skill or the better experience, but who has the best software. That might realistically be the future of graphic design. So what are your thoughts on today's video, and what are your thoughts on the work by the AI? The key thing here to take away is that the future of design, if it's not unknown, it might actually be somewhere along this kind of path. I really want to hear your input and your thoughts about this whole topic, and where do you think things are going in this industry? But yeah, until next time guys, design your future today. Peace.